Temu Welcome Bonus. How to save big on your first order. If you've just discovered Temu, there's a hidden treat waiting for you, the Welcome Bonus. It's like Temu's way of rolling out the red carpet for new shoppers. When I first joined, I couldn't believe how much I saved instantly. It felt like Temu gave me free shopping credit just for signing up. Step 1. Use my exclusive link, QR code, or the code shown on screen. Click the link in the description, tap the pinned comment. This step is super important because it unlocks the full welcome bonus package. If you skip it and go straight to Temu's site or app, you'll only see the basic coupons and miss out on the hidden deals that exclusive links reveal. Step 2. Download the app and sign up. Install the Temu app on your iPhone or Android. It just takes a few seconds. Then, create your account using your email, phone, Google, or Facebook. Because you used my link, QR code, or the on-screen code, the welcome bonus is automatically attached to your account. No searching the internet for working codes, no manual entry. Everything is already waiting for you. Step 3. Check your welcome bonus. Head to the perks or coupons section in the app. You'll find all your unlocked rewards, percentage off deals, cashback style coupons, free shipping, and sometimes even bonus gifts. The cool part? Signing up through my code often unlocks extra perks that most users don't get to see. Step 4. Shop and apply your bonus now. Dive into shopping. Browse through thousands of items, gadgets, fashion, home essentials, beauty, and more. Add your favorites to the cart. At checkout, watch as your welcome bonus applies automatically, giving you that exciting feeling of saving money while shopping. Step 5. Redeem and complete your order before hitting confirm. Double-check that all the discounts and any free gifts are applied in your cart. Once everything looks good, complete your order and enjoy your savings. So, why should you use my link, QR code, or the code shown on screen instead of signing up directly? Because this way guarantees you unlock every hidden bonus Temu has to offer. Don't miss it. Click, scan, or use the code now and start your Temu journey with instant rewards and massive savings.